as I told you that I'm going to make a DIY using fringes. So here it is. Hey guys, it's Meera. Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, I'm Meera Galeria and I make fashion videos every Tuesday and Saturday on YouTube. So do consider subscribing to this channel. And in today's video, I'm going to make fringe skirt. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to make that sexy fringe skirt under rupees 200. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing that I thrifted from the flea market is my bodycon skirt. I was not having any bodycon skirt at my home, so I just got this beautiful bodycon skirt. This is of Forever 21 and I got it for 100 rupees. So I got this skirt in this shimmery material, but hopefully if I would be getting that plain skirt then that would be better, but no worries, I got this and let's see if I can stick fringes on this or not. Okay, so the another main thing that I got from the market is this fringe lace. I got this lace about 5 meter, I guess that would be enough. So I thought of making a contrast fringes like black skirt and white fringes. So let's see how it goes. Apart from this, you need fabric glue and scissors. So here's the before picture of skirt. Firstly, look at the fabric of the skirt. There's alternate lines and I guess I can stick in between of two sparkly lines. Taking the fringe trim and just getting rough measurement of how much lace I need and how much layer will I create. So I'm just going to do 5 layers and then marking it using pencil. Next, open up the zip skirt cause that part needs to be skipped while attaching the fringe. Start from the top line of the skirt, apply glue line, a thick glue line, and then apply fringe trim over it. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then flip the skirt backside. I am just hoping that it would have stick. Next side, I am directly applying glue on the fringe and just attaching the fringe to the skirt. Repeating the same for the other, and for this I am going to measure that one fringe should end on the border of the second fringe. Something like this. Taking fabric glue and attaching it just like we did previously. repeat the process for all the 5 layers of fringes, and here's the final outcome.
If you guys want me to make any of the DIY videos, then do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to see your replies. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you guys in the next videos. Till then,